forgot to go over the storm drain lesson. I forgot to cover the data files that we made for storm drain lesson 3. So I'm going to do that now. So let me just, again, I'm just going to sort that by type so that all of our storm drains are on top here. Okay, so you can see we have quite a bit of data in here now. This is all from lesson 3. Let's see. So the things that we need are these 3. Swim flow.dat, swim flow rt.dat, swim out f.dat, swim imp, and the swim ini. That pretty much covers it. Well, I guess that's not as important, but let's go ahead and right click Notepad++, and then I've got to get rid of the ones from lesson 2. Okay, swim I hope I didn't get rid of too many of them. Swim INP, swim flow. Well, I can't remember why this one exists, so I'm just going to close it. That if you wanted more information on that one, you probably need to go to the manual. Swim ini is very easy. It just gives you the version of swim that we use with Flow2D. You don't have to worry about this file. Flow2D is going to create it for you, and then so if you have this, it's going to allow you to initiate the animation controls if you want to use the swim GUI. Swimflow.dat, this is the data that Flow2D needs for every inlet or manhole. I think that's all it has in here. Yeah, inlet type 1 through 4, and inlet type 5 is a manhole. Okay, so type 1 is curb and type curb and gutter. Type 2 is curb and gutter. Type 3 is a grate. Type 4 is a head wall or an oddly shaped one that requires a rating table. And type 5 is a manhole. And I'm not going to go over these here because there's an entire video series, training series on storm drains, but I will let you know that in addition to the training videos that are on my website in the storm drain training package on my website, in addition to that, there's a storm drain guideline book, and all of these are also identified in this data input manual. So swim flow RT, this is your rating table data for that type 4 for that head wall. This defines the geometry of every other inlet type. And there's something missing. I knew I closed one too many of these. Here it is. And this defines whether or not your outflow shares, your outfall shares with the back into Flow2D. If it shares back into Flow2D, then you need this switch to be 1. And again, I mean, I'm not quite up to speed on all these, so go back and check those videos out for storm drain. Okay, that's it. Thank you.